Now that we have our coding out of the way, there's one thing that's missing that will help our end user know that each of these elements is actually clickable, and that's to change the cursor. So if we test out our movie, we'll do Command Return, that's Control Enter on PC. We see that this just simply looks like 5 different squares and one square is really large, but there's nothing telling us that we should click on it, even though each of these elements is clickable and it is interactive. So let's go ahead and change that. So I'm going to first select our red button element here, and I'm going to go over to Properties down to Cursor, and it's set to Auto. So I'm just going to click here, and then we have plenty of options. The one thing that screams, hey, you should click on this, is the pointer. So we're going to go ahead and click this just once, and I'm going to click back to my stage, and let's test the movie again. Command Return, Control Enter on PC. And each of the elements still has nothing happening, except now we have a cursor once we roll over the red element. So let's go ahead and do the rest. Let's go ahead and close this out. So I'll select each of these. I'm going to hold down my Shift key. And these are the elements I want to work with the pointer. So I'll click on the cursor option again, select pointer, and let's test our movie. All right. And we do not have a clickable element here with our large square. So by changing the cursor, you can let the end user know this element or this button is actually clickable. And you can change it pretty simply just by using the properties area and going to the cursor section.